Good morning, my dear. Today, I will discuss the three topics: conditional formatting, data validation, and to sort filter data in worksheet. Students, first of all, you have to know what is conditional formatting. If I'm talking about the conditional formatting, it means as per my condition, data will be formatted. If I set the condition more than 80, then whichever the area that I have selected, if the values are more than 80, only those data will be formatted, other one will not be formatted. Now the next part is the data validation. That means if you have selected the range of cells and I want to restrict those cells, that whatever the definition I have for my cells, as per that you have to work. If I set the criteria less than 60, then only less than 60 marks will be entered. And if you will give more than 60, computer will not accept. It will reject it because it is not the valid value in the cell. I will show that also. And the last one, sorting, either ascending, descending, and even you want to work on group, on group, that also you can do it. Now let me go to Excel. Now you can see I have one data. This I am going to open it. Yes, the data is already explored. Now I have taken these all data. These are of standard fifth. Okay. Now first one is my conditional formatting. You see, you have the marks, but if I ask from you students, please tell me those students' name who has got more than 40 in science. Can you tell me? No, my dear, you can't tell it because you have to search. But I don't want to search this. Itself, computer has to search. Only I will select the range of cells and define that whatever condition, and as per that, yes, computer has to format the data. Yes, it is possible. I will start my selection. Okay. So I want these all because total and percentage I'm not going to involve that one. So let me first remove this because these are the unwanted parts. So why I will have. So I will have the marks. Okay. Now I'm going to apply the condition, my dear. That is called conditional formatting. So what I will do, my dear. So I will go on format tab. You can see there is a menu bar which has the format. Here you have the conditional formatting. Click on that. Now what you will see on the screen, you will see conditional formatting dialog box on the screen. Now it is up to me. Suppose I have set the range. What the range I have set? 0 to 40 should be in red color. 41 to 60, that will be in yellow color. And 60 plus, that should be in green color. What the color I've defined? Three colors. So how I'm going to do it? Please look at the screen. Cells value is what I said, less than 40. That should be which color? Red. So let me check the font. Okay, this one background I'm going to take it. Overlining. Red. Yes, red. It is not looking red. Wait. Okay, it is like that. Okay. Now I want the next condition. What is my next condition? That is between 41 and 60. So here I will use between 40 and 60. I will define the color yellow. But it's not looking yellow. No, it's not looking yellow. Yes, this one is yellow. Okay. Now, the next part, those who have got more than 60, that will be in green color. So I will set the third condition. Yes, it is not mandatory that you will go for condition 2 and condition 3. I want only one condition, then condition 1 I will take. Why I will go for condition 2 and 3? But I have given the 3 ranges, so that's why I am explaining all that 3 conditions. So it will be greater than 60. Okay, what will be the style? Green. So I will take green. Yes, green. Okay. Now finally I will click on OK. Now you watch it. I think yellow is not visible to you. So wait, let me set the other color because yellow is not clearly visible. So let me set the other color. I think purple is good. Now, okay. Now you can watch it. Now you can watch it. See, I'm going to increase. Now, watch it, my dear. I have set to one more color. Wait, let me check. Let me check again. I will go to the format. I will go for the conditional formatting, and there I will set a new style that will be yes, orange. Okay. Now, okay. Now you can watch it. You can watch it. Yes, you have the 3 colors. One is the red, other one is orange, and other one is the purple. Yes, you can understand this. Let me increase. Now these 3 colors will let you know that this value is in this range. Okay. Now, not only that, I can go for my background also. I can go for my background also. So I will go for the conditional formatting. Now there you have the new style. Here I will have my background color yellow. That will fit nicely. Yes, second one, it will have my background color this, and the third one will have my background color. You have to go for light one. Okay. Now I am going to click on OK. Now you can easily predict also. Understood? That what the values are there. Yes, between those ranges. So this is my conditional formatting. Now the next part, that is data validation. So data validation, when you are going to use, you must select the blank cells. Don't try to use those cells which are already written by you. If you are going to select those all things, what will happen? yes, you will get problem like the value more than 60. That will be allowed. If already more than 16 allowed, then there you will be having error. So that's why I'm not going to touch, yes, those, yes, I'm not going to touch those cells which already contains the data. I have selected the blank one. Now you have to go to the data and click on the validity. Now you'll be getting a dialog box there. Now there are three tabs. First one is your criteria, second one is input help, and the third one is error alert. Now, first I will click on criteria. Now, what is your criteria? I want to have the values more than 60. So you can select here whole number and greater than 60. Any you can have, less than, between, whatever you want. Now the next one is input help. I must have to select this option, otherwise I cannot get input help options over there. Okay, now what is my title? Whenever I am writing the values, it will give me the reminder by having caption. So what is title? Please, and here give value more than 60. Okay, now next one is error alert. If suppose I did a mistake, then it should show me an error alert dialog box. Okay, so I'm going to use stop, and here I'm going to use title warning. Okay, you have done mistake. Okay, now when I will click on OK, now see my dear, I'm going here. Now when I will start, yes, entering the value, before that it is showing the caption, please give value more than 60. It is giving me help that these cells, yes, should have the values more than 60. So I will write 63. But when I will go to the previous cell, it will not show it, because my range selection is from E30 to K40. So if I will go here, I will not get help. So I can get only help in the selected cells. Now I want 56. Now will 56 be allowed? Not, my dear, because it is less than 60 and I have defined greater than 60. So I'm writing 56. When I will go and jump to the next cell, yes, that stop dialog box will appear. You see, it is coming here. Just let me increase the size. Okay. Zoom cannot be done here. Okay, you can see it is showing, yes, the warning message. You have done mistake. I have written this warning as the title and message as you have done mistake. So it is giving me alert that please don't give this value. You give the values between values more than 60. So I will understand and I will give the value 67. Yes, 190, 89, 88, 88, 79. But when I will go to the next cell, it will not give me help because that selection I have not done. That means that cell is free. When I will use here, see no help. So I can use 12 also. It is allowed. I can use 100 also. Both are allowed, my dear, because this has no restriction. This has no validation. Okay, so these cells will not work. Okay, so only these topics were there, my dear, and one more topic, that is your sorting. So let me remove these all. Now I'm going to apply sorting. So how you will sort your data? It is up to you whether in ascending order or descending order. Now, see, my dear, I'm going to have selection of these all cells. Now, see, my dear, you can see my datas are sorted in ascending order. If I'm talking about the student names, I want this one to be done in descending order. So you will go to data, there you have the sort option, and here sort where? On student name. What? Descending way. Now click on OK. Now your name of the students have been shown in descending order. Now, one more option is there, that is a filter. So you can apply filter option, auto filter. Now you can see, there you can see the drop down button. You see, in every column, you see, here also, here also, here also, everywhere you can see. So where you want to apply the sorting, there you can click it, like maths. I'm going to see the maths. Yes, here it is showing top 10. That means only top 10 marks you show it. Other one you have to not show. It means that your top 10 students of maths will be shown. It will show other subject also, but it will be done only on maths. See, top 10. As per that, these are the top 10 students. It is showing the details of that top 10 students, yes, which are, yes, categorized, or which are, yes, filtered only by the help of math marks. Okay. Now there you have the standard filter also. Yes, I want maths. Okay, largest 10 values. You can go for other and operator also. You can take Hindi also. Both will be checked, and as per that it will be defined. So it is up to you how you want to work it, using the and or using the or operator. So I hope you have understood these all topics, my dear.